Our sun, a blazing ball of hydrogen and helium, the anchor of our solar system. But what if, in a cosmic blink of an eye, it transformed into something far more enigmatic and infinitely more dense? A black hole. Our very existence, the delicate balance of life on Earth, hinges on the sun's radiant energy, but a black hole consumes everything, even light itself. Join me as we delve into the hypothetical, exploring the awe-inspiring and frankly terrifying consequences of our sun becoming a black hole. The sun's gravity, though powerful, is dwarfed by the unimaginable pull of a black hole. Instead of the gentle curvature of space-time caused by our sun, a black hole would warp the fabric of the cosmos, creating an inescapable gravitational well. Planets, asteroids, even light itself would be drawn towards this abyss, their fates uncertain.
The lifeblood of our planet's sunlight would vanish in an instant. Photosynthesis, the engine of Earth's ecosystems, would grind to a halt. Plants would wither, oxygen production would cease, and the intricate web of life would begin to unravel. Without the sun's warmth, our planet would transform into a frozen wasteland. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable lows, oceans would ice over, and the atmosphere itself might freeze and fall to the ground. Life, as we know it, would face an insurmountable challenge.
The planets in our solar system are locked in a delicate gravitational ballet, their orbits dictated by the sun's mass. But replace the sun with a black hole and, well, the choreography of the cosmos is thrown into disarray. Some planets might be flung out of the solar system entirely, while others could be drawn inexorably towards their doom.
At the heart of a black hole lies the event horizon, a boundary in space-time beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. Cross this threshold and you are lost forever to the universe you once knew. If our sun were to become a black hole, this invisible barrier would lurk at its center, a constant reminder of the immense forces at play. Black holes possess a mind-boggling ability to distort space-time itself. Imagine the fabric of the cosmos as a trampoline. A black hole would create a deep well, distorting the very essence of distance and time. On Earth, we might experience strange gravitational effects, our perception of time itself potentially altered.
While black holes are often portrayed as engines of destruction, they are also sources of immense energy. As matter spirals into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk, a swirling vortex of superheated gas and dust. This disk can emit intense radiation, potentially visible across the cosmos.
Thankfully, the scenario we've explored is highly unlikely. Our sun lacks the mass to collapse into a black hole, but the exercise of imagining such a cosmic event allows us to grasp the incredible power of these celestial objects and the delicate balance that governs our universe. While the thought of a black hole at the heart of our solar system is daunting, it also serves as a reminder of the vastness of the cosmos and the infinite mysteries it holds. Who knows what wonders await us as we continue to explore the universe and unravel its secrets?